Okay, so now we are going to mix some colors and see how they look on the box. We're going to start with the black because that's our base color. Alright, so from there, I'm really not sure. Should we like let it dry completely?
Yeah, I'd give it 10 minutes. Then.
Alright, now we're going to do these in 10-minute intervals because as you can see from our other framing, or I mean our other painting project videos, that, you know, spray paint generally dries in 10 minutes as long as you do a thin enough coat. That's what you should do. It's just like spray a thin coat, wait 10 minutes, and then go in either for your second coat or for your other color. So in 10 minutes, we will see you momentarily. Okay, going in for our second coat. So babe, do you want to do your second coat of the black or do you want to just start in with the colors?
I don't know. I think we can try the color. See what it looks like.
Okay, now remember on the frame, there's not going to be any writing or anything, you know, on the frame that's going to shine through, so I don't think you really need to worry about, you know, anything bleeding through the frame. Like, you know, you're not going to see the word U-Haul on the frame is what I'm saying.
And on the frame, we'd actually do the two coats.
Right.
It's just to get an idea of how the paint's going to look. And I'm not even going to coat, like, this coat isn't going to be like an all over coat. It's going to be a couple lines.
Right, we're just swiping to kind of make it look galaxy-ish. Now we're going to go in with a different blue. Okay, we're trying to give it that dusty effect so that way you can't really see defined lines. But it's all going to get metered out once you put the glitter on top. And we're not using a basic glitter, we're using like what's called opulent, which is like a multicolor glitter. You see a tail wagging, I'm sorry, it's my dog. She's mentally challenged, bless her heart. Okay, now that's gonna look pretty badass as you can see. But once you put that triple thick glaze on there, it's gonna look so fucking killer, you guys, I swear. You think I was a sponsor for triple thick glaze.
And also, like, on the frame, since we'll have that bubble, we're not going to be painting, you're not going to have, on this test strip, you're seeing these stripes.
Right, and so you won't have those long stripes on that frame.
Yeah, you'll just have little bits of color
blips,
here and there.
little blips.
And I wouldn't put the glaze on the cardboard. Just like, you know,
I want to see!
It's going to react differently.
Side note, my dude's an artist and I'm not, so he knows things that I don't. Ooh, whatever, that made it show up. I love it. Okay, so that looks like a good combo. So that's what we'll do for the frame. So now what we'll do is we'll remove this and get our palette all ready, get the bubble off the frame, and get ready to rock and roll. Alrighty dudes, now we're ready to begin. Unlike the box, we're going to do 2 coats of the black just to make sure it's nice and coated. And we are ready to go. Shit already looks better.
Glitter that tired off-white.
OFFT. Off-white.
Hoping I'm not getting it too gooey.
It's good, it's good. Alright, now we're going to let this sit for 10 full minutes. And then come back and keep rocking and rolling. Okay, now that that is nice and dry, we're going to go in with a very light dusting of a second coat of this black. And then get started on the fun colors. Alright, now we are going to lightly dust with our first shade of blue, which is kind of like a really dark turquoise. Remember, we're going for that, like, you know, Hubble Galaxy, like, bright, spacey kind of vibe. Looking good. Alright, now we're going to go in with another kind of blue. It's kind of like a dark royal blue. Alrighty, now we are going to go with our opulent glitter vibe. And then once we do the glitter, we're going to let it dry for 10 full minutes and then come back and do that triple thick glaze coat. Alright, now we're going to let this bad boy sit for 10 full minutes and then come back and then put that glaze coat on. Alright, kiddos, now it's time for the triple thick glaze. Now the issue with the balance, I'm sorry, it's windy and I got this bad boy on a crane. So if it's bouncing, my apologies. Other than that, let's get rocking and rolling with this glaze. Now, this shit is Toastma Goat's badass, and if you have any sort of shiny or glittery anything, this is gonna make it pop real hard. Also to make the other colors pop. I'm gonna do the outer rim first. Now this actual product has a different consistency than normal paints. So you can really go hard with this shit, like hardcore. It's like a thin mist as opposed to a glumpy like paint spray. So it's not gonna drip the same way a normal paint will. Okay. Oh my god, it looks so baller. Okay, we're gonna let this shit dry. You guessed it. 10 minutes, kids. All right, see you in 10.